Hey everybody, it's Molly. I am going to do a large scale, some people call it a Dutch pour, but I'm gonna do it with a blow dryer. And this is a 36 by 36 inch canvas. I'll list my colors in the description. I've coated my entire canvas with a semigloss house paint mixed with a little bit of Creative Inspirations titanium white, and I've mixed it with water to consistency and my pouring medium. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. It was a struggle even getting all the white coated perfectly on this canvas, so I'm just gonna go for it, guys. So I'll tell you the colors as I'm using them. There's a lot of air bubbles. Just want to pop some of them. Some of them can come through and that's fine. Here, I won't make you guys painfully sit through that. Okay, so I popped all the air bubbles. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with my darker colors close to the, I think I'm going to go this way and that way. So I tried this before and I had too much paint. So I did it in these smaller cups in the hopes that I wouldn't put so much paint on the canvas, but we'll see. That was Paynes Gray going through there. Gosh, I can't even reach over to the side of this. And that, whoop, well, I'm definitely gonna not have a spot there, huh? So that was Paynes Gray. This is copper. This right here is cobalt metallic that I mixed with a little bit of light aqua. I'll do my purple next. It really looks pretty just like this. I'm scared, you guys. I don't know, does anybody else ever get nervous when they're painting, like to mess it up? I don't know, I still do. And then I'm gonna come over to the last, which is one of my favorite colors, is phthalo blue. Back with the Paynes Gray. Okay, you guys, tell me to stop because I don't want to put too much color on there. I can always go back in and add more color, right? I'll zoom you in on what it looks like now. Not much. It's kind of cool the way that it is though, but all right. I'm gonna put a little bit of white in there over top, even though it's already got a lot. I do like the way the white looks over top of the blue though. Just a little bit. And, okay, wish me luck guys, I'm gonna go for it. Maybe a little bit loud. So when I do my blow dryer, I actually press the cool button. So I put it on low, and then the cool button makes it a little bit higher, but cools the air down. So that's how I do it. Okay, so try to keep the cord out of the way. I'm just gonna go Oh my gosh, 18 minutes. Sorry, guys. I'm sure most of you fast forwarded anyway, so. Okay. That is, look at those little bubbles. And there's little rings inside of rings right there. Look at those cells. Look at that little cluster right there. I'm telling you, I'm loving this house paint that is mixed with the Artist Loft. It's the semi-gloss. Oh my gosh. I love the bright colors right there. Look at that in the center. Look at those purples. Oh man. All right, you guys. That's what she looks like from far away. I like the negative space. I may play with it a little bit more. I'm not sure yet. But there she is. I am just so pleased with the technique and with the cells that I got. Now I just hope they dry that way. Needs to hurry up and dry. All right, you guys, let me know what you think. Sorry it took so long, but big canvases you gotta work for, so. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. If you like my work, please subscribe. Check out the description below. I'll have everything there. And thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye. You guys like to see how my work dries. So this is dry. It's kind of got a cloudy effect in there, although I didn't mean for it to. And I didn't put any satin enamel in there if you guys watched the other one. So big. I can't even get the whole thing in there. There we go. Oh, I love it. I don't know which way I want it hung yet. I'll let the buyer decide that. So wish me luck. I have 3 festivals coming up. But you guys wanted to see it, so there's the dried piece. And there's this one, it's still drying. Nothing has changed yet, so keep your fingers crossed. All right, you guys, if you hung around till the end, thank you. See you soon. Bye.